Y'all, go see Star Wars. No, stay here. Stay with me. I know you're flustered. You're always flustered. Look at that face. He's like so flustered. Always. Can you see his face even? Look at the good people of the internet. Be adorable. Oh my god. Stop being difficult. No, see, look. Yes. There you go. Oh, my little soot sprite. Oh, okay. Shall we Ipsy? Let's Ipsy. Ready? Whoosh. Okay. No, but seriously, you need to see Star Wars. Like, I just came from seeing it. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, by the time this actually gets uploaded, you'll probably have seen it. So, down below in the comments, give me your thoughts. I need your opinions on things. But as of right now, like, I literally just got back, like, I don't know, an hour ago, maybe? Oh my god. I have some opinions and thoughts, and we need to have discussions. And if you're worried about spoilers, well, like, don't read the comment section if anyone comments. Figure it out. Okay, so, Ipsy. This cute little bag. This is December. December, you guys. December. Like, what the fuck? Ugh. December already? Okay. So, hold on. Let's do the theme. Theme is snow globe. That's all these lovely people looking lovely. But we get 2 of these Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Masks, Powerful Detox Attire, and Pore Minimalizer. Not Minimizer, Minimalizer. Whatevs. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be like black sheet masks, just because this is like charcoal. Anywho, bag. Cute, silvery. My friend who we exchanged like what we got, she didn't like it. But it's like, it's got like mint stripe, like right on the, like the zipper is like mint. And it's cute. I already know what I got because like we talked to each other, and she got the eyeshadow, and I really wanted that Lisa Frank eyeshadow. Like honestly, I wanted it. I had a lot of lip stuff this month. I got the lip polish from Seraphine Botanicals, Orange and Cream. I haven't actually tried it on my lips, but it smells delightful. And I have a cat here in my eye, and now it is like really bugging me because, you know, cats. So this is the Dirty Little Secret. Oh, it's an eyeshadow crayon. I totally thought this was a lip crayon. Huh. Makes more sense as an eyeshadow crayon, I guess. But this is in Fetch. I wonder if I could probably use it both. I totally thought this was an eye crayon. That is my milkshake, Ginger. My milkshake. From Five Guys, not yours. Even though you're adorable, you cannot have a milkshake. So even though it totally says eyeshadow crayon in many places, I totally thought this was a lip crayon. This is the color Fetch. Because I was like, oh, a lip topper crayon. And it's actually like really nice. And I'm kind of getting more into that into the metallic lip. So I was like, oh, no, what are you doing? Can you stop doing things? Oh my god. It's cute. It's pretty. It's kind of like that peachy gold. And you know what? I'll try it on the eyes, or at least I'll try to. It's reflective, but not like crazy reflective. But I think I'll probably try it on the lips too, because, yeah. I got this, Luxie shader brush thingamajig. It looks really nice, actually, if you look at it. If it'll focus. It looks like it'll be really nice. So I'm excited for this because I almost always like the brush. I don't always like the brush, but I almost always like the brush. And then I got this Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Legendary. And it's very berry. Like in the stick, you don't think it's going to be that berry of a color, but like, look at it on my hand. Like it actually almost looks like what I'm wearing, but like, it's very berry of a red. And I was expecting more of a true red, especially from a shade called Legendary. I don't know. This sample packaging is like super thin, cheap plastic feeling. Not really into that. Kind of upset that like I got so much lip stuff when like there was a Lisa Frank eyeshadow in the mix. Why would I want anything over Lisa Frank eyeshadows? Anyhow, that's what I got this month. You know, this will be fun to play around. I totally thought it was a lipstick, so I'll try it both. I'll try to This, I mean, I don't really use lip scrubs that often, but I'll use it up eventually, and this I need to actually try, and this will probably be a good eyeshadow brush, and these feel hefty, but like I said before, I'm not buying sheet masks, but I'm sure that they'll be delightful. So last month, let's look at last month. The theme was all you. Oh yeah, and this is when they were like, oh yeah, message these guys on Instagram. They told me when to be in BFF. And I'm like, I don't think so. I have to pass this on. I said it last month, but this is the Tarte blush in Feisty. And I have this. Like, I own this. I got it in a sample kit thing from like the spring VIB sale earlier this year. So I need to pass this on because I own it. And I didn't really try it because it's just hard to try pigments. But this is the Naked Cosmetics pigment in, I want to say Mother Earth. And like in there, it doesn't really look like much, but it is one of those really pretty like duochrome things. If it'll actually go. See, like loose pigments are like hard, and it's that blue, brown. Oh my god, now there's like cat hair in my mouth. Gross. It looks really pretty. Maybe I'll try it with this eyeshadow brush. I don't know. It looks like way better on my hand, way more reflective than it does here. I don't have a glitter primer. I need to get one. I always forget because like they don't have the NYX one in store, and I don't really want to have Too-Faced things if I can avoid it as much as possible. And I just don't really like everything they've done as a brand. Now there's like powder everywhere. This is why I haven't tried this in a month, because it's just like difficult to use. Now my desk has like blue, brown specks. Why do I mean, I know I held a cat, but like, oh my god, there's like cat hair like everywhere. Oh my god. That was last month, and then they gave us this crown brush, and I just didn't like it. It felt cheap, it looks cheap, it feels cheap on my face, and I guess it's supposed to be for blush, but I use the Real Techniques blush brush, and I love that brush, and this just was fine, and it wasn't mind-blowing, so I don't need it. Everything else I finished, though. Everything else being two things. This was the Clarks Botanicals Deep Moisture Mask. It was a moisturizing face mask. Finished it up. It was fine, but I didn't really like it because of the scent, which has camellia extract in it, and I realized I don't like camellia extract. It's too strong, too floral, too much for me. And I did finish the It Cosmetics CC Cream in Fair. Cut it open, scraped everything out, used it all up. I'll try to link to a video where I'm wearing it if I can remember which ones I'm wearing it in. But like, y'all, this is not fair. This is not fair. This was at least the shade too dark for me and way too yellow for me. And this is their lightest shade. I don't know. I like some of the things from It Cosmetics, like their the Bye Bye Pore setting powder, whatever that is. That seems to be pretty good. But I don't really want to support a company that like has 5 shades of, and like that's it. Or didn't they? I think they like recently came out with like in between shades, so like a fair light and then like a light medium and like a medium tan or whatever. But like your deep or whatever is not that deep, and your light. This is fair. This is fair. This is not fair. This fair is definitely like in the light range. Like I don't know. It was fine, and like the formula was fine. If they came out with lighter shades, maybe, but I don't know why they like haven't expanded the range for their CC cream. It makes no sense to still only have like 5 shades in this day and age. Like honestly, this isn't shade adjusting. It's just like the shade it is. I do like the coverage it was. I like that it's SPF. The scent wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't bad. It clung to dry patches though, which is interesting. I didn't think it would. It had nice coverage. It's like a medium coverage, which everyone says it is, and it is. But I don't know. It didn't like impress me, blow me out of the water, mostly because of the color and that it clung to my dry patches. And like, I think it kind of broke me out too, just a little bit. I didn't really have a chance to use it long enough to really see if that's what was breaking me out or if it was just hormonal. But like, you know, the week I was using it, I had a couple crop up on the chin, and I don't know, because yeah, this only lasted me like a week. Like, maybe 7 days of makeup application at the most. Like, it wasn't a lot. I know, I feel like it's really dark right now, but like, honestly, I can't change that because, you know, it's nighttime. It's like, what time is it? What time is it? Do I know? Can you tell me? It's like 9:30, so yeah, it's nighttime. Yeah, so that was my Ipsy. I don't want to like take forever, but yeah. I don't know, Ipsy's like a lot good, but I really wanted that Lisa Frank eyeshadow, like, honestly. This was given to me by a student this year. I really like this water bottle. It keeps my water cold for a very long time. But then that happens, but you know. It's all good, it's all good. I like this because Ginger can't drink my water. Where'd she go? Ginger. Ginger. Drinking my water. She just walks up to like my water glass and like sticks her foot in and then shakes it off and there's water everywhere. Like, cat, stop it. Be nice. No. I want that fresh water. Now it's locked away in a water bottle and you can't get it. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here, but like, seriously, if you've seen Star Wars by the time this gets up, which hopefully you have, because it's probably gonna take me forever to get this up. Let me know down below your thoughts on the many situations presented in that film. And I'll see y'all next time. Okay. Oh yeah, no, I can't say goodbye. I didn't tell you to go pet a cat. So go pet a cat, and I'll see you the next time I upload a video. Okay.